In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use green screen in Veed.io. First, make sure you already have your project open in the Veed editor, with the clip that was recorded in front of a green screen added to your timeline. Click on that clip in the timeline or in the preview so it's clearly selected. When it's selected, you'll notice a floating toolbar appear just below the video in the preview window. From this toolbar, look for the option labeled AI Tools and click it. This will open a panel on the left side of your screen that shows all the AI tools available for that clip. In the left panel, find the tool called Green Screen and switch it on. When you enable it, it will expand to reveal more options. One of the most important tools here is the color dropper. Select the dropper, then move your cursor over to your video preview. Make sure you're choosing the green color you want to remove. Click directly on the green area in your clip. As soon as you do this, Veed will automatically remove that color from your video, making those green parts transparent so you can place something behind them. After the first click, take a moment to look closely at your video. If some green edges are still visible or parts of your subject are getting cut out, you can fine-tune the effect using the sensitivity slider on the left panel. Increasing the sensitivity will remove more of the green, while decreasing it will keep more of the original footage. Adjust this slowly until your subject looks clean and the background is nicely removed without eating into hair, clothes, or other important details. Now let's add a new background behind your clip. This can be another video or a still image. For this example, we'll use an image. Import or drag your image into the project, then add it to the canvas. Once it appears, adjust its size so that it fully covers your project's aspect ratio, filling the entire frame. You can do this by dragging the corners until it fits the screen. Next, right-click on the image and go to the Order options. Choose Send to Back or Send Backwards until the image sits behind your green screen clip in the layer order. Because the green area has been removed from your original clip, the new image will now show through wherever the green used to be. At this point, you can play back your project to check how everything looks together. And that's it. You've successfully used the green screen tool in Veed.io to replace your background and create a clean, professional looking effect.